Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you disable cancel withdrawal into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that icon, and after tapping into there, simply select your profile picture. And now after coming into the profile section, you will get to see this option of security. Simply tap to security, and after that scroll down and you will get to see this option of withdrawal settings. Simply select the withdrawal settings, and after selecting the withdrawal setting you will get to see cancel withdrawals. Now you just simply have to disable this toggle for cancel withdrawal in order to cancel the withdrawal. Simply disable and tap to close button. And after this, your cancel withdrawals will be disabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.